there, YouTube family. I'm excited to share my love for design with you. Let's explore everything from blueprints to paint colors together. I promise to keep it fun, informative, and a bit quirky. As you know, building a house in India is an exciting adventure. It's a journey filled with dreams, hopes, and a lot of planning. It all starts with finding the perfect plot of land. This is the first and most crucial step in your home building journey. This decision is crucial. It impacts your home's design, budget, and overall vibe. The right plot can make your dream home a reality, while the wrong one can lead to endless challenges. First, think about location. Do you envision yourself close to the city's buzz or nestled in a peaceful suburb? The location will influence your daily life, commute, and even your social interactions. Consider proximity to schools, hospitals, and your workplace. Being close to essential services can save you time and make life more convenient. Next, examine the plot's shape and size. A rectangular plot is generally preferred for its ease of construction. However, don't dismiss other shapes if they fit your vision and needs. The size will depend on your budget and desired home size. Larger plots offer more flexibility, but come at a higher cost. Balance your dreams with your financial reality. Don't forget about the soil. The type of soil will determine the foundation's strength and stability. Different soils have different load-bearing capacities, which can affect construction costs. Get a soil test done to understand what you're working with. This will help you avoid future structural issues and ensure a safe and stable home. Remember, choosing the right plot is like laying the foundation for a happy home. It's the base upon which all your dreams will be built. So, take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Consult with experts, visit multiple plots, and envision your future life in each location. The perfect plot is out there, waiting for you to find it. Once you've found it, the real adventure begins. From designing your dream home to watching it come to life, every step will be worth it. Now comes the fun part. Designing your dream home. This is where your imagination can truly run wild, and you can start to see your vision come to life. This is where your vision starts taking shape. It's a collaborative process where your ideas and the architect's expertise come together to create something unique and personal. It's important to find an architect who understands your style and needs. This relationship is crucial because they will be the ones translating your dreams into reality. Look for an architect with experience in building homes similar to what you envision. Their past work can give you a good idea of their capabilities and style. Check their portfolio and client testimonials. This will help you gauge their reliability and the satisfaction of their previous clients. Don't hesitate to ask for recommendations from friends and family. Personal experiences can provide valuable insights and help you make a more informed decision. Once you've found the right architect, clearly communicate your needs and preferences. Be as detailed as possible to ensure they understand your vision. How many bedrooms and bathrooms do you want? Think about your current needs and future plans. Do you need a home office or a spacious kitchen? Consider your lifestyle and how you use your space daily. The architect will then translate your ideas into a workable plan. This involves creating detailed drawings and blueprints that will guide the construction process. This includes detailed drawings, floor plans, and elevations. These documents are essential for ensuring that every aspect of your design is accurately represented. Make sure you understand and approve every aspect of the design before moving forward. This is your chance to make any final adjustments and ensure everything is perfect before construction begins. Take your time to review the plans thoroughly and ask questions if anything is unclear. Your dream home is a significant investment, and it's essential to get it right from the start. The materials you choose will impact your home's durability, aesthetics, and cost. Making the right choices can ensure that your home stands the test of time, looks beautiful, and stays within your budget. Thankfully, India offers a wide range of options for every budget. From traditional materials to modern innovations, you can find everything you need to build your dream home. Wood is a popular choice for doors, windows, and furniture. It is not only versatile, but also adds a touch of natural beauty to your home. It adds warmth and elegance to your interiors. Wooden elements can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, making your home feel more comfortable and stylish. Opt for high-quality, termite-resistant wood like teak or sal. These types of wood are known for their durability and resistance to pests, ensuring that your wooden structures last longer. Cement is the backbone of any construction project. It provides the necessary strength and stability to your home structure. Choose a reputable brand that offers consistent quality and strength. This will ensure that your construction is solid and reliable. You'll need it for the foundation, walls, and roof. Cement is essential for creating a strong and stable base for your home. Bricks are another essential material. They are widely used in construction due to their strength and durability. They are readily available, cost-effective, and provide good insulation. Bricks help in maintaining a comfortable temperature inside your home, making it energy efficient. For a more sustainable option, consider using fly ash bricks. These bricks are made from industrial waste and are environmentally friendly. Don't forget about steel. It's crucial for reinforcement and structural integrity. Steel bars provide the necessary support to your home's structure, making it strong and resilient. Choose high-grade steel bars to ensure your home's safety and longevity. Investing in quality steel will give you peace of mind, knowing that your home is built to last. Now let's talk about why you need a top-notch contractor. Finding the right contractor is as important as choosing the right plot. A good contractor will be your trusted partner throughout the construction journey. Look for a contractor with a proven track record of delivering projects on time and within budget. Check their experience, licenses, and insurance. A reputable contractor will have a team of skilled professionals from masons to electricians. They will ensure that every stage of construction meets the highest standards. They will also handle all the necessary permits and approvals, saving you time and hassle. Plus, they can help you source materials at competitive prices. Now we will talk about pre-construction essentials. Before the first brick is laid, meticulous planning is absolutely crucial. This stage involves finalizing designs, obtaining necessary approvals, and setting a realistic budget. Review the architectural plans with your contractor and make any necessary adjustments. Ensure that the design aligns perfectly with your budget and lifestyle. Once the design is finalized, your architect will help you obtain the required building permits from the local authorities. Simultaneously, work closely with your contractor to create a detailed budget. This should include the cost of materials, labor, permits, and a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Let's now talk about substructure work. With the pre-construction phase complete, the actual building begins. The site must be cleaned before beginning construction. This work includes the removal of roots of trees and debris and leveling ground area. Using excavation equipment, the building's foundation is dug up according to the dimensions shown on the blueprints for the structure. Before installing the foundation reinforcements, a layer of PCCC, plain cement concrete, is laid in the trench's dug area. Footing reinforcement work begins just the day after PCC, followed by shuttering and concreting. Since a footing is the base of the entire construction, we have to take extra care in the quality of the work. After footing casting, you must remove the shuttering and cure the footing. The foundation trenches that were dug out were filled with soil and compacted appropriately. Concrete is poured into the ground beam formwork after completing the foundation work. Work on the stonework begins above the plinth beam. Additionally, the soil is used to fill the area between the foundation and the plinth beam. A building with water seepage issues is unhygienic. The ground is one of the main places where water seeps out. Therefore, waterproofing at the plinth level is an important activity. A column and beam make up the superstructure's primary part. The frame for further construction has been prepared, and the columns have been raised to slab level. Following the completion of the column and beam structure, masonry work begins using various materials, such as bricks, concrete blocks, fly ash bricks, etc., following the architectural drawing. Cement mortar is used in masonry work. Sand and cement are combined to make the mixture. The slab that rests on the column and beam is then constructed using formwork. The placement of the slab reinforcement above the slab formwork follows the detailed slab drawing. Now it's time to add the finishing touches, which comes under post-construction delights. Congratulations! The structure of your dream home is complete. Now it's time for the finishing touches that will bring it to life. This includes plastering the walls, laying tiles, installing fixtures, and painting. Internal and external are two sorts of walls. While the inside walls divide the house into rooms, the exterior walls protect the house from harsh weather conditions. The ground floor's outer brick wall is 230 mm thick, while the inside brick wall is 115 mm thick. The wall openings for doors and windows have been left exactly as shown in the plans. A layer of mortar called plaster gives masonry a smooth appearance. The thickness of the plaster depends upon the roughness of the wall. One plaster layer is adequate for the inside walls, and 2 coatings are required for the building's outside walls. The plumbing and electrical fixtures are installed following the plastering work. It is advised to the waterproof kitchen and bathroom floors to stop water seepage and moisture. There are numerous flooring options for residential homes based on the requirements and budget. Many types of flooring are used, including concrete, stone, and wood. To enhance the home's appearance, ceramic tiles are used on the walls. It is used to make the interior of the slabs beautiful. The thickness of plaster of Paris work varies from 12 to 25 mm. After completing all these tasks, exterior finishing work begins. Another option for improving the elevation of the house is external cladding. To stop any slab leaks, waterproofing is applied on top of the slab. Terrazzo tiling is typically done to protect the slab from the effects of weathering. Internal walls are plastered with a smooth finish, and tile flooring is used. Afterward, the walls are painted or textured. Following all the above steps, nearly all construction work is finished, and furniture work can begin. Plumbing, electrical, and switchboard installations are completed simultaneously in the kitchen and bathroom spaces. The main goal of painting a house is to extend the structure's life, and adding color to a house is a great way to give it a makeover. Painting not only provides color to the walls of the house, but also shields it from filth and stains, extending the lifespan of the house. The interior decoration of a building involves finishing the structure with appropriate furnishings and textiles. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to building your dream home in India. From laying the foundation to selecting the perfect finishes, we've covered it all. But remember, the most important part is your vision. What kind of architecture and interior design would you love to see in your home? Let us know in the comments below. We're all ears. So, what are you waiting for? Start turning your dream home into a reality today. And remember, even if you encounter a few bumps along the way, we're here to guide you through every step. Happy building! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more helpful tips and tricks on home construction. We've got plenty more in store for you.